Now look at a shift operation. Shift operation with 1 to 1. That means picking up value from one node and putting it into another node. So here I'm getting a rating inside that primary, inside that value. So I am pointing to here, this one and this one. So my pointer is here at line number 4 in this value. And where I'm going to put, I'm putting it into a prime.v1 and 3. Next is one to many. You can pick value from one particular node and put it into a multiple node. So left hand side still remains same, value was 3, but the new thing is here right hand side I added an array. In array I specified a two node in a dot separated JSON path formatted format. So here I am saying that go and pick up a value from rating primary and value, that is number 3, and put it into a primary v1 and prime v2. So it will create a function, it will create a field prime. Inside that it will create a v1 and v2 and will copy that value in both the node. This is because I specified everything into array. If you want to put that into array, if you want a array in output, then you can specify like that: rating primary value, that's a value number 3. That 3 value I'm picking up and putting it into a prime under v1 which is array. So it will create a node v1 and it will create an array. Inside array it will put that value. Okay, suppose in case you want to put that particular value in a particular specific index inside an array, so you can specify a index number here in your spec file. So this particular spec says that create a prime and then create a node v1 which will be array, and create number 2 array and place that value at index number 2.